Clarendon man gone missing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 46-year-old Francie Bailey, otherwise called Otis, comic or tall man, a mason of Victoria District, Gloucester, Clarendon, has been missing since Monday, November 25th. He is of dark complexion, slim built and about 185 centimeters or 6 feet 1 inch tall. Reports from the Mapen police are that at around 8:30 a.m., Bailey was last seen in the Ingleswood area of the parish wearing a plaid t-shirt and brown jeans pants. He has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Francie Bailey is being asked to contact the Mapen police at 876-986-2208, the police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.